Kaitlin Goode from the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. We're here in the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen with Chef Justin to talk about different ways to prepare wild turkey.
Well, thank you, Kaitlin. It's so wonderful to be here. I'm glad you guys are here with us, and we are super excited at Fresh from Florida to get to work with FWC on this amazing Florida Osceola turkey. What a cool thing to do. We've made all kinds of Fresh from Florida sides and dishes utilizing this turkey, including we have a green bean and mushroom and caramelized onion saute. We have this wonderful Asian turkey salad. We have some braised turkey legs here, and of course our classic turkey club sandwich, right? This beautiful braised Osceola turkey. And we also did a couple fun recipes that are a little different as well, like this turkey shepherd's pie and our Osceola turkey hash with a couple fried eggs on top, and then some cornbread and sausage stuffing. So we just want to demonstrate that there are so many wonderful recipes that you can make with this Osceola turkey. We want to encourage everybody to get creative and have fun with it.